examples of women are out. These are the real women of Rivers State. They are not faces in Rivers State.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The video you just watched is that of Rivers women dressed all in white, protesting in support of a state of emergency, singing the praises of military dictatorship, that they don't want to be in democracy, that the dictatorship is better than democracy, that sole administrator is better than the elected governor. They are all dressed in white. Of course, this is a response. This is Minister of FCT and Tinubu's response to the protest that was held by the genuine women of Rivers State when they protested against state of emergency imposed in their state, in which the state governor, the deputy, and the House of Assembly that were duly elected by the people were removed in a classic demonstration of dictatorship. That protest, of course, frightened Yesomike and his boss, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who illegally imposed a sole administrator in place of the elected representative of the people. Now, these women, I saw them, you've seen them. They are a disgrace to womanhood. Why did I say this? Women are supposed to be the conscience of a nation. Women are supposed to be the conscience of a state. Women is supposed to be the conscience of a society. No woman of conscience will tell me that she participated in that kind of protest pro bono in the interest of Rivers State, if not in the interest of her purse or her pocket. When you see the way they were all dressed in white and all that, you have no doubt that this is not an organic protest. This is a protest that was arranged just to show that those who protested against state of emergency, those who say that state of emergency is shameful, which it rightly is, that is anti-democracy, which it is, that it should give way for democracy, that those who protested, that they also have people who are in support of state of emergency, who are in support of the sole administrator, who has come to Rivers State not to keep Rivers State secure, but to run a government. Remember, when Obasanjo imposed state of emergency in Plateau State in 2004, over 2,000 people were killed because Muslims and Christians were slaughtering each other. There were numbers. There was good ground to declare state of emergency. That is not the case in Rivers State. There was no breakdown of law and order. Because if there were, the sole administrator that was appointed by Tinubu would be busy trying to keep the peace. But now what he's doing is to change sole administrators for local government, replacing local government staff, appointing chief of staff, appointing secretary to the state government, changing boards. Where did you hear that kind of state of emergency? Where has it been done? Where has it been done in Nigeria? When President Goodluck Jonathan imposed state of emergency in the three states of Northeast, that's Yobe, Adamawa, and Borno, he left the democratic institution intact. So there was no need to change anything. When Obasanjo did it and appointed Chris Hale to be the sole administrator for Plateau State in 2004, Chris Hale didn't have to go and be appointing local government chairmen, go about to be appointing, changing boards, be appointing electoral commissioners, local government electoral commissioners. Where is that done? Now, this is the thing happening in the Rivers State, and this woman, disgracing womanhood, say they are protesting that that's what they want, that that is good for Rivers State, that that is best for Rivers State, that that is peace. I think there is disgrace to womanhood. There is disgrace to themselves. And history will not judge them right, because they supported evil over good. They supported wickedness over peace. They supported the strong over the weak. Because what they have done shows clearly that money is indeed the root of all evils. Because only money, only a purchased woman can rally around to say that they support what Tinubu and Nyesom Wike is doing in Rivers State. Nobody of conscience, be it man or woman, will support what is going on in Rivers State. So these women, they have disgraced themselves, they have disgraced womanhood, saying that they are protesting, that they support state of emergency. That's an absurdity. That's a heresy, if you like, when it talks about it in a religious sense. It says they are a disgrace to their family, they are a disgrace to the nation, they are a disgrace to Margaret Ekpo, who is from Niger Delta, who was one of the arrowheads of women who fought for liberation in Nigeria, who was among the Aba women rioters that protested against illegal taxation by the colonial masters and wrote their names in gold. These women have disgraced themselves, disgraced their grandparents, disgraced their ancestors by siding with impostor, the sole administrator, with Nyesom Wike and with Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are not to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.